In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp for inventory management. ClickUp is a versatile task, management, and productivity platform, and by following these steps, you'll quickly transform it into a powerful tool for managing your inventory efficiently. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Overview section within ClickUp. This is essentially your starting point where you can manage and organize all aspects of your ClickUp workspace. Getting familiar with the overview will help you streamline your processes later on and ensure you don't miss any important details. Next, look for the plus icon, which you'll find within the interface. Think of this as your gateway to adding new functionalities or components to your workspace. Clicking this will present you with various options to choose from, but for our purposes today, we want to direct our attention to finding templates. Click on the Templates option. ClickUp offers a wide range of templates, each designed to suit different needs or sectors. Today, our focus is on selecting an appropriate template for inventory management. Templates can be a real time saver, providing you with a solid framework to build upon, rather than starting from scratch. Once you're in the Templates section, use the search function to find Inventory Management. This will narrow your choices and display templates specifically tailored for managing inventory. By choosing a template, you're leveraging pre-constructed lists, statuses, and task settings that are optimal for tracking and managing inventory effectively. After locating the specific inventory management template, simply click on Use Template. This will load the template into your workspace, and you'll be ready to start personalizing it to better suit your specific inventory needs. With the template in place, you can customize various fields to align with the unique demands of your business. This could include setting up categories for different types of inventory, adjusting status labels to track various inventory stages, and modifying task descriptions and checklists to match your processes. For added clarity, you'll want to click on Use Template a second time. Sometimes the interface requires this step to fully integrate the template into your workflow. Once this is complete, you're ready to dive in, begin populating your inventory data, and start managing your stock more effectively. By following these steps, ClickUp can become an invaluable tool in managing your inventory, giving you visibility and control over your stock levels, reorder points, and supply chain logistics. Remember, these templates are flexible, allowing you to adapt and modify them as your needs evolve. That's it for today's tutorial. Manage your inventory with ease, keep your systems organized, and make the most of ClickUp's robust features. Happy inventory managing!